This is a demonstration for our hectoliter apparatus. This is chamber which has a closed bottom with the holes so that the air can go out, and this one has a slit for passing your key. This one is the knife. This one is a central part. One pouring funnel. One chamber for capacity has a bottom closed. Another chamber is open from bottom, both the ends. This is to be put now, and this is the balance. We have got 10 kg 1 gram balance. First of all, you have to fit the key in this, slide it from this section, and it will go to the center. Place the chamber, which is both ends open, on this. It fits. Then you have to place this chamber. It goes to the bottom, and then you have to take, when sample is with us, there is one measuring envelope. You put the sample in this container. You can use any of your own tray. You can use your any tray and fill this. I am filling this to the top. Say about 1 kg of the sample will come in this. Approximately 1 kg will come. You have to level this and then again fill it to the top. We are just filling this to the top. Now this is completely filled. You can use any paper also to keep it leveled. And then we have the funnel which is open from bottom. Put it here, and then we are putting the sample in this, carefully filling to the top. See this. Now we can fill it easily, so it is full, almost full. These both are similar in kgs. See this. Now we can remove the key. The slit goes to the bottom, and so the sample also goes. We'll again put the slit back to the place. Push it, and it comes out from the top. Now this is some extra grains are in this. We can fill this extra grains, take it out, and now we can remove the top and the slit, both have, and this envelope I can use again for filling the sample. The grains, extra grain. Now this is empty, and I am just putting this. Take out your weight, keep it here, and now this I switch on the balance, which is 10 kg 1 gram accuracy, and place the balance on this and measure it. Now it says 860 grams. Now I have the 860. Let me give you how to calculate. It is 860 gram. 860 gram divided by 10 equal to 86 hectoliter is the value. You must be having your own chart also. You can do the same calculation. So how much? One more item comes with a half kg capacity. You can use the 600 gram balance in that. This is 1 kg capacity of this. This one is then this 1 kg capacity. Very easy to use. We have provided these spare envelopes so that you can put it and keep it in the balance. Please visit the website and write to us in abron01@gmail.com. Send us subscribe to our channel, and hope you will be able to use it easily. Thank you very much.